Hi, welcome to 2026, a brand new year. I've gone backwards and forwards whether to make this video or not, and eventually I decided I would make this video to be the first sort of travel video. Well, it's not really a travel video, but the series that's coming up starting next week is going to be a travel video. But I've debated with myself whether to make this video or not. I just want to explain why our journey is going to be a little bit slower, a little bit more careful than some of these other van travel videos that you see. Earlier this year, we found out Suzanne, she had a number of brain tumours. She had one removed in July about the size of an orange. A 10-hour operation. And she's still living with other brain tumours. So this is going to be a complete change for us. This is our journey that we're going to be going on. The van's not finished yet, as you can see, and neither is our story, really. I'm not making this video, I'm not looking for sympathy, I just want to explain why things are going to be a little bit slower. Our journeys might be shorter, our days might be shorter before we do park up. But Suzanne's, she's got some cognitive issues, some panic attacks if I'm not there. And at least this way, in a smaller space, she's going to feel a lot safer. And she'll have Milo, the little dog, that you're going to meet on this journey that we're going to be doing. We're going to be travelling around Scotland. We're going to be doing a lot of Scotland. We got this van on the 1st of December, and so we've had it exactly a month. We've had the windows put in, the insulation's done now, the floor insulation's all done and the floor's down. Next week I'm going to take you on a little trip to Solway Camper Conversions, and we're going to have some wall panels put in, just to get it finished quicker, and get the diesel. I'll get the diesel put in. All the bed things, they're all arriving next week from IKEA, so we'll get those put in. But we're going to be tripping around Scotland, and we're going to be taking you with us. Suzanne loves Glencoe. Hopefully we'll catch some snow up there as we go across to the Cairngorms and all up around that way, Glenshee. And then we'll be doing parts of the UK and eventually of Europe. A few weeks here and a few weeks there. And Suzanne really, really wants to go. To the Arctic Circle. See the snow. The Northern Lights. So I think that'll be good. And we just want to make nice, simple memories. If this seems to be your sort of thing, subscribe. We're going to be doing weekly videos. I don't know if it's going to be 2 videos a week or it's going to be 1 video a week that we're going to be doing. but it's not for sympathy. It's going to be a channel for life, for living, for making memories. Is this? I won't be answering any questions, medical, those type of things, because, as I say, it's not that sort of channel that we're creating. So next week there's going to be videos of going to solid camper conversions, hopefully, as long as I can fit us in. And then we're going to get the bed fitted, the diesel heater, and then we're going to get gone on our trip, hopefully before the end of January. We're going to be gone, fingers crossed. But as I say, please subscribe and join us on our trip. It's going to be a lot slower pace. You're not going to see flashy scenes of me jogging away into a sunset with a camera behind me, and things like that. You're just going to see exactly what you'd see if you were there. Nothing flashy at all. I don't have the equipment to be flashy with anyway. But thank you. If you do join us, it'd be lovely to see you.